In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Weebly website using your mobile phone. Whether you're building a personal site or setting up a business page, Weebly is a versatile platform that can help you make it happen, all from the comfort of your smartphone. So grab your phone and let's get started. First, you'll want to head over to the Google Play Store. This is where we'll download the Weebly app, which will serve as our website building tool. Once you're in the Play Store, look for the search bar, usually located at the top of the screen. Tap on it to begin typing. In the search bar, type Weebly. This will bring up the app among the search results. You'll want to select the Weebly app, which should be one of the top results, characterized by a blue W on its logo. After selecting the app, you'll see an option to install it. Go ahead and click Install to begin the download. The installation might take a minute or two depending on your internet speed, so sit tight. Once the installation is complete, open the Weebly app and look for the Get Started button. Tap on it to begin setting up your account. You'll need to enter a few personal details to create your account, so be prepared to type in your first and last names, your email address, and a password. You'll also need to specify your location. Make sure your password is strong and secure to protect your account. With your basic details entered, you'll also notice a user agreement checkbox. Read through this to understand Weebly's terms, and if you're happy to proceed, check the box to show you agree. Now you can click on the Continue button, which will take you to your account's homepage within the app. On this homepage, you'll have access to various tools for customizing your website. Have a look around to familiarize yourself with the interface. When you're ready to start editing, locate and tap on the Edit button. You'll find yourself in the design area where the real creativity happens. To refine the visual appeal of your site, tap the paint icon in the upper right corner. Here, you can adjust fonts, tweak colors, introduce animations, and customize buttons, allowing you to give your website a unique personality. Look closely at the font options to find a style that resonates with your site's theme. Besides changing design elements, you can also edit text and images directly. Simply tap on the section you want to edit and make your alterations. You can adjust the text for headlines and paragraphs and even swap out imagery to better suit your vision. This level of customization ensures your site can be as unique as you want it to be. And there you have it, your quick guide to starting a Weebly website on your mobile phone. Feel free to explore the app's features to enhance your site further. Thanks for watching, and happy website building.